People may think that having completed some of the other trainings, some of the other learning paths, they know what Automation Anywhere can do. But having completed this, they're just scratching the surface.
I had pieces of this already, an understanding of agents, experience with Automation Anywhere, and a sense of where things were heading. But this training, it gave me a kind of a connective tissue in a way.
Those who are saying, well, I'm not sure if I should take it because I don't have access to these tools, to do it anyway, because you will learn a lot and it will help you evaluate how you can use AI better.
I wanted hands-on practical experience with the new introduced capabilities of Automation Anywhere. And I also really wanted to walk away with a solid understanding of the APA framework, because a lot of us are living in the RPA world still and kind of making that transition to APA. I definitely got more than what I was expecting out of it.
I wouldn't consider myself a novice when it comes to anything AI. I'm definitely not an expert. Probably intermediate is probably the correct term. But I was blown away by the capabilities, having it be the executive assistant, adding things to the calendar, responding to emails, proposing, during the whole project. I was just blown away by the capabilities of the tool.
To learn? Seriously though, I do think that you will learn a lot if you take this course. It got me thinking about things that I could do that maybe I haven't done for various reasons that are now more possible and faster to implement.
You can build a puzzle, but until you've fully assembled the puzzle, you don't see the whole picture. And I feel like that's what this certification, this training was. It was showing you what the completed puzzle looked like. Complete this training, because then you can go to your superiors, you can go to your boss, and you can say, look at what we could accomplish. Look at what we could be doing.
It gives you a practical framework to learn how to identify when a process actually needs an agent, how to design tools that work reliably inside a agentic workflow, and how to think about an automation in a way that scales. So you'll finish the course and you'll know your next step. That's not always the case with training, and for me that's what I think what made it stand out.